Hi guys, welcome at my channel. This bernzomatic torch kit needs an own igniter. I show you why. Besides, don't use it inside. This is free area here. So gas is open and the torch starts, but stops immediately, even with two lighters. So close it again. There is a special tool. I bought it yesterday here at Hardware Hawaii, and I go back now and try to get the suitable lighter. Okay, my channel is usually German, but I don't think this part is available in Germany, so I did my best to make the video in English. So stay safe, use the safety regulations here on the package, and thanks for watching.